Hello, and welcome to Silent Superheroes, where we use the power of silence to get real-world superpowers. Today we're going to be talking about how to calm ourselves down when we're feeling super frustrated. So let's take a long, slow breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, and then we'll begin. Are you ready? So sometimes when we're at home, or when we're at school, kinder, or when we're just playing, things don't go the way we want them to go. Maybe we're not allowed to play with that toy. Or maybe we're not allowed to eat a certain type of food. Or maybe someone says something that we really don't like, and we get super frustrated. Maybe we start yelling, or crying, or screaming, or banging our hands and feet on the ground. Either way, that just makes things worse, because then we definitely don't get what we want. So do you know what we need to do? That's right. Take a big, slow breath to calm ourselves down. Let's do it. Sometimes it takes more than one breath. Sometimes I get so super frustrated that one breath just isn't enough. And when that happens, I move myself aside and take 3 slow breaths. Let's do that right now. The great thing about doing slow, calm breaths is that it makes us less yelly, less screamy, less angry when we're hitting our feet and hands on things. And do you know what we can do when we're less angry? That's right. We can use the power of our words. We can say, "Hey mummy, hey daddy, hey teacher, hey carer, I really want to do this." Or, "I really need to do that." Or, "This is making me so super frustrated right now." Because words are sort of like little superpowers. If you use your words and say what you want and what you feel in a calm, controlled, and clear voice, you've got such a big chance of getting what you want. Because then everyone around you knows what you want. It's very hard to understand what a scream means, but very easy to understand what words mean. So, the next time you're feeling a little bit frustrated, take 3 slow breaths and then calmly use your words. Let's do it right now. Great work. Have an awesome day. This talk was taken from the book Mindfulness, a guidebook to the present moment